Hello and welcome back to Robinsunne Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so you can send stuff back and forth in the mail to each other. Yay! Today I am going to cut a fan fold paper cut, which is a wonderful cut for when you're making an art journal and you're going to fold this paper in half. If you put this, do the cut and then put it so that it's centered in the middle, and then print off copies, you will have, half your design on that page and the other half on another page in the signature. Blah blah. Anyway, I hope we can see this very well. The light paper on my darker table. So a fan fold is pretty much the way it sounds like it would be. We're going to make a fan, and I would recommend going over those folds, and I'm just to make the folds really sharp, and I am really folding this kind of like, well, sort of like a fan, front to the front and back to the back. So that by the end we don't have one piece of paper going over many sides of paper. Just makes the sections a little more even to do it this way. And I do mean a little. We're talking a millimeter here. Right. So if we were to open that up, that would sort of look fan-ish. Do that right? There. Okay. So then I'm going to make cuts on this folded edge and on this folded edge. And then when I open it out, we will have a repeating pattern. You will notice that this side has the two raw edges at the the ends, and this side is all folds. So sometimes that makes a difference when you're cutting. It doesn't really here because I'm cutting this specifically for an art journal. Oh, I just did this thing that I don't like when I do that. The papers have a tendency to shimmy back and forth, and I was not holding them very tightly, and I got a very uneven cut. So there, that should help. One of the, I don't know, is this a helpful hint to paper cutting is to have one shape. All right, this is getting a little out of hand here. I'm going to put paper clips in the sections where I'm not cutting, because this is really, the papers are shimmying back and forth a lot. I think I'm not going to pull us in on the video. I'm just going to hold this a little closer. So I was talking about shapes echoing each other. So in this one, I can put it here. Let's do it with this. I had cut this rounded shape. So when I was cutting sort of a shape to come up here, I tried to make this curve be an echo of this curve. I think it makes for a lot of loveliness in paper cuts. Sorry. Engage my mouth so that I can speak to you. There we go. This is looking sort of like a leafy shaped paper cut. That will be interesting. And look, this has made a really pretty leaf shape. Alright, what else are we doing here? Let's cut down here. Let's do a bit of a spiral. So you'll notice that I'm kind of cutting the spiral in a little bit of a wonky way, and I'm doing that on purpose. This is a lot of space. Let's throw another mandorla in there. Little leafy shape. again, I'm doing that echo cut. Underneath is a curve, so I'm cutting a curve there. And another curve there. Only that one, it's not really an echo. It's just another curve. Sorry, I'm not being very chit-chatty in this video. I feel like I really have to concentrate on the cut. The paper is moving around a lot, and I actually haven't done such a big fan fold in a while. So I'm finding that I had to pay attention to myself. Ooh, this is going to be really pretty. I'm hoping that all the leafy shapes are going to make it look a bit like a rainforest or a jungle. That will be interesting. Oh look, here's this cut right there. I like it, I like it. It's kind of intriguing. I was hoping to make these things look like they were veins in the leaf, and they almost look a little bit like a barb on a rose stem or something, or teeth, pointy teeth. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. There we go. Look. Oh, boy, I don't work in this kind of lemon yellow very much either. Like sunshine. Oh, I was out doing errands yesterday, and the snow is brown and the sky was gray, and things were looking a little dismal. So this is some bright and shiny pink. Oh, I like it. So here's the thing that happens sometimes. You can turn it right side up or upside down. Yeah, see, this is looking really seaweedy to me in this direction. I don't know, I'll have to study this. To decide which way I like it. Which way do you like it? I think I kind of like this better. I don't know why. I really like these curves. They're all coming down. And I love how this is kind of a, like everything's pointing down, and this kind of, these lines right here kind of stop it and say, nope, we're the ground. Don't go further. All right. Reading a little too much into this. Today, my dearios, I want to say that sometimes it's just really super great to have art friends, and I wish as a blessing for all people everywhere, but especially for those of us watching videos on paper cutting, may we all have lots of art friends that we get to share with. Crash. All right. Yes, many art friend blessings to you and to me. All right, see you later.